In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can get a completely transparent taskbar in Windows 10 or 11 without any software. So let's dive right in. From your desktop, you can right click on that and open its personalize. It will open up like this, where you can find these colors from left side. Click here and then it will show you this choose your color. From custom, you can choose dark and make sure these transparency effects are on. Close it and now click on this search and search for run. Open it and then you need to type here prompt reg edit and click OK. It will open up this registry editor where you can open this H key current user, open software, and here you will find this Microsoft. And from Microsoft, if you scroll a bit, you'll find here Windows. Open it and open current version. Now from current version, you can find here this Explorer. Open it and open advanced from here. If you click on this advanced, it will open up these type of files. From here, right click on that and from new, click on this dword 32-bit value. And then you have to type here taskbar, select opacity. You have to type same like this. Double click on that and it will open up like this, where make sure the value data is 0 and it should be on this hexadecimal and click OK from here. Now search for Task Manager and open it. From this Task Manager, you have to find this Windows Explorer, right click on that and click on this restart. And after restarting it, you can find here our taskbar is transparent now. So that's the process to get a completely transparent taskbar in Windows 10 or 11 without any software in just few easy steps.